Hey guys, so some really interesting news coming in regarding the camera confirmations on S25 Ultra. Other than that, we have also the panels of full S25 series as you can see on the screen. Samsung is going all in this time and it seems like a problem for Apple. The design is pretty much confirmed now. We have also seen the metal dummy units of the phone which showcase the flat design from both front and rear sides of the phone and rounded edges this time. Samsung is moving more like iPhone now. So Ice Universe shared the camera details for the S25 Ultra which confirms that Samsung is going with the same camera sensors as we saw in S25 Ultra this year. There will be one upgrade and that is in ultra wide angle lens, which will be now of 50 megapixel resolution, and the main camera will be of 200 megapixel resolution with 10 megapixel 3x lens and 50 megapixel telephoto lens with up to 5x optical zoom. So the camera segment is not having much upgrades, and to be honest, I guess it didn't need much to upgrade in cameras if it's all about increasing the pixels game, like 200 megapixel main camera, which hardly competes with the iPhone's 48 megapixel camera sensors. There is another shocking news coming in from Business Korea that Exynos chips were in production for Samsung S25 and S25 Plus, but then suddenly something made Samsung to move for Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 even for their base models instead of Exynos 2500. It all happened because of the low yield of Exynos 2500 processors. It means that now the whole S25 series will be running on Snapdragon's upcoming processor, which will be called as Snapdragon 8 Elite or maybe 8 Gen 4. Now if you talk about all other internal specs, then S25 Ultra will have 6.9 inches Quad HD 120Hz display, same as of iPhone 16 Pro Max display, but Samsung works more towards anti-reflective displays unlike iPhones, which is a must-have thing to use phones in bright sunlight. And we also do have the Geekbench scores of S25 Ultra. You can see 3011 single core and 9706 multi-core scores, and S25 Ultra outperforms the iPhone 16 Pro Max in multi-core scores. And this new upcoming Snapdragon processor is said to be even more powerful than the Apple's A18 chipset, as some shocking results are coming out on internet. There will be 5000 milliamps of battery with 45 watts of fast charging, same as of S24 Ultra. This S25 Ultra will be lightweight from iPhone 16 Pro Max and even from its predecessor S24 Ultra. Other than that, we all know that Samsung recently revealed their One UI 7, and the S25 Ultra is most likely to come with One UI 7 out of the box, which is having some cool major changes like in icons and control center, notification panel, and all of these major upgrades in UI resembles with iPhone's iOS. So that's all for now. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.